We're good. We're good. I got it. I got it. It's safe to say you guys are using the link down below to get $50 extra inside your first box. Anybody who uses that link helps me get a box so that we can review on the channel, which I always end up giving the stuff away. But look at this, we have got some boxes to get through. So what do you guys think we should do? Should I give one of these boxes away? Should we do a grand unboxing, the ultimate biggest Threadbeast unboxing you've ever seen? Let me know down below, but today we're gonna just crack into one, and inside, of course, we're gonna give away whatever we don't want. So stick around to the end of the video. Let's not waste any more time, let's just get into it. Okay, all right. Now this green one and this other green one, again, I don't think the colors matter, but I've had them the longest, so we're gonna do those first. Oh man, see, this is what I didn't anticipate. It's almost the end of summer, or it is the end of summer. These boxes may be like summer boxes, so we might get some summer type clothing, although in Florida, this summer lasts till like December, so I think we'll be fine. So the first shirt is a Levi's original shirt. It's got a nice little graphic tee, basically just a Levi's graphic tee right there. Not bad, like the colors, little pink and blue. So we'll try it on later. Again, if you don't know, at the end of the video, we're gonna give away some of the stuff that we don't want. Just comment down below what you want. You can always DM me what stuff that you want and I will give that stuff away. Next is this. I've never heard of this brand, Pythia. Wait, am I reading that right? All the time I always get this shit wrong. You guys love to flame me for it, but am I getting this wrong? Pythia? Pythia? Pythia clothing. Never heard of this brand, but a nice little simple logo, black logo tee, graphic tee right there. Don't know what it means. I'm tripping, right? I must be tripping because I don't know what it means. We're gonna try that on later too. Pythia, little black graphic tee. Obviously you can match that with anything. Is that it? No way. What? What? Look at this box, dude. It's just these shorts right here, these like swim trunks or something. I guess it's just these swim trunks. From the land to the water, that's what it's called, from the land to the water. This guy's a nice little logo right there at the bottom. But would you be surprised to hear that that's all it is inside this box? Wow. You know what? Boom, surprise second unboxing. We're doing another one. That was whack. We're doing another one of these. Let's do the other green one. We are not getting a whack box for this. Come on now, we can't do that. It's gotta be sick, right? It's gotta be sick. We're doing, boom, 2 in 1. Can't see anything at all. Woo! Getting a little better. We got some crisp socks. Not bad. Just some nice little crew socks, right? These are some crew socks. Some athletic, crisp crew socks right there. This is like, I don't really get, I've gotten socks, but not like some neutral color socks. Summer vibes continue with this box, but we have this, what brand is this? Oh, it's a Diamond Supply shirt. We got this Diamond Supply, I don't know what color scheme this is. This is definitely summer vibes, but this is like a 80s type of vibe. What kind of candy bar is this? I'm like Almond Joy. I don't know why I'm thinking of Almond Joy, but that's the vibes I'm getting with this shirt. I don't know, do you guys like this? We'll try it on, but it's a little, maybe I'm just not a stripes guy. Maybe I'm not a stripes guy, I don't know. But we'll see. And the last thing in this box, what the heck? If you guys don't remember, actually from the most previous box, we got some pink dolphin shorts in gray. These are literally the same shorts, but in like a shit brown color. Like an olive, but like a rusty date, like it's like an olive, right? But the olive's been sitting under like this restaurant like stand for like 4 days, and then finally someone swept it out rather, and this is the color that it's been. Honestly, don't know what color this is. Vomit green, but it's the same pink dolphin. It's got the like the writing right there on the side, and it says pink dolphin right there. I don't even know how to style any of these. This is gonna be a tough one to like match and like get right. You guys know how this goes. Let's just go try it on and hope for the best.
vouch for the truth. I've been up late all night for the loot, still got up for the sunrise and the cool light.
All right, so we just tried on all those clothes, and I gotta say, not a lot of winners, but if you guys like any of the stuff in this video, go ahead and DM me on Instagram. I will be giving some and most of this stuff away. And it is a first come, first serve basis, so please go ahead and hit that DM. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel for more Threadbeast boxes. Want to learn how to not get scammed during this recession, please click this video right here. Don't want you guys getting scammed, don't want you guys losing out on all of your hard-earned money. Remember to flip that trash into cash, and as always, I will see you guys on the next one.